Okay, so this diagram is to show the triad exercises, and this is in P1, first position. And again, you can see that the tonic of this position is yellow circles, right? And we have three different exercise diagrams in here. We have root position, and then we have first inversion, and we have second inversion. Now, in each inversion, root and first and second, we have six different exercises that we're going to do. And so, at the beginning, we're going to play 1, 3, 5, which is standard RT, meaning root triad ascending sequence. And then underneath that, you can see it says R, and then a little up arrow 3 and an up arrow 3. That means you're playing the root, then you're going up a third, and then you're going up another third. And then after that, we do a slight variation. We're starting with the 1, the root. See, the root is the first note, but then we're going up a fifth. So we're going to play the 5 note, and then we're going to go back down and play the third. So this is 1, 5, 3, which is root, then up a fifth, then down a third. Okay, now we're going to do the descending. So this is 5, 3, 1. So that's the standard root triad descending sequence, where we start out on the 5, we go down a third, then we go down a third, and then we're at the root. So we're 5, 3, 1. And then we switch it up a little bit, similar to the ascending sequence. We're gonna go from the 5, skip the third, gonna go to the 1, and then go back to the 3. And so we go down a fifth, we're at the root, and then we go up a third. So basically, we're just covering all these different combinations of note sequences, so that you get used to playing all these different combinations of the notes. And then again, so we did 2 where we started with the root note of the scale, and then we did 2 where we started with the 5 note of the triad, and now we're going to start with the middle. So we're starting with the 3. So this is 3, 1, 5. So we're starting with the 3. We go down a third, and then which leaves us at the root, which is the R. You can see there, and then we go up a fifth. All right, and then we do the opposite of that. We go 3, instead of 3, 1, 5, we go 3, 5, 1. And so that's up a third, down a fifth, and then we play the root. So this covers all the combinations. And we do the same thing with the first and second inversions. Now with the inversions, you can see because we put the root as the top note in the first inversion here. So in the first inversion, we're playing 3, 5, 1, and so you can see that first interval there, that dark black line, is an interval of a third. But then when we're going up and we're going to 3, 5, 1, that's an interval of a fourth, and it is up a fourth, right? So you might think 3, 5, 1. Is you're going 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, but no, you're going up 5, 6, 7, 1. So that's up a fourth, and it indicates that in the at the third line there, it says up a third, up a fourth to the root, right? And so similarly, don't be confused when you see this 3, 1, 5 here for the other combination. That 3, 1. That's an interval of a sixth up. It's not 3, 2, 1. You're not going down a third. You're going up a sixth. So pay attention when you're doing these. Pay attention to the intervals that it's telling you to go to. If you look at the 3, 1, 5, you might think, oh, I'm just going to go down 3, 2, 1. I'm going to go down a third, but that's not it. You're going up a sixth to the root, and then you're going down a fourth. And so I also superimposed on top of this the pentatonic in this position, so you can pretty much see everything here at a glance.